Alexa, shut up. Good morning from Brisbane, Australia. I think the time is around 5. Oh shit. I think the time is around 5:15, 5:20. Today is 29th of January, Friday. Irozo, there's nothing special going on. But still, we're going to do something productive. Yes. Yeah. ఆంధ్రప్రదేశ్ తెలంగాణ ఆస్ట్రేలియా ప్రజల గుండెల్లోకి దూసుకెళ్ళిపోదాం అనేది ఈరోజు ప్లాన్. జస్ట్ ఆల్ టు సే గుడ్ మార్నింగ్. It's time to have some breakfast. The thing I've learned recently is you shouldn't be having coffee first day in the morning, because apparently what happens is there's some component in the body called, I don't know if they are called components or something, but they are called cortisol. If you drink coffee on empty stomach in the morning, if you're getting up at 5 a.m. and if you're drinking coffee, then apparently what happens is this coffee will break down your cortisol, which is a sign for energy breakdown, but it will increase the body weight like drastically, which is not my goal. This year my goal is to get into fitness, reduce some weight, stay healthy, eat healthy, live healthy. And it'll take some time for me to start being all that healthy. So today we're going to have some breakfast. I'll show you what I'm going to have for breakfast. So if not having coffee, if having coffee early in the morning on empty stomach is bad for your health and it leads to overweight, then you might be wondering which is the best time to have coffee. The best time apparently to have coffee if you're waking up at around 5 or 6 in the morning is to have between 9:30 to 11:30, because Google, I don't know. And also if you're having coffee, it should be after at least 1 hour or 1.5 hours after your breakfast. So the time currently is around 6 o'clock. So if I want to have coffee today, I need to eat breakfast at around 6:30. That means I don't know. Oh my god. By the way, this house, I'm sharing it with 2 other guys, and we're all chill. We just share this kitchen. So it's just the kitchen that needs to be cleaned, but since we are guys, it has to be dirty. You know, it's like guy psychology and stuff. You must be thinking, this fellow is doing all this breakfast, all fancy stuff just for the video. But no, your boy has changed. He has for Pokemon fans, I have Vikasit Trooped. I have Vikasit Trooped into such an amazing routine person, very proud of it. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to have some breakfast. Time is around 6:30. Egg took a lot of time to boil because I put it on low for some reason, like a stupid fuck. By the way, time is around 6:30. I have to catch a train at 8:30, so we have 2 hours of time.
Just because I think Toby, convicted rapist. I'm just kidding.
When did the check come? Last week.
That I got a brand new water bottle that has this thing, because apparently if there is something of this sort, humans tend to have more water, because when humans are in the womb, they usually put their thumb in their mouth. So after I got this bottle, I've been drinking 4 liters a day. And one more thing to make drinking water interesting is I got these cold infusions. They're not really sweet. They don't make the water fizzy, but they just add some essence. So yeah. Oh shit, that's a lot of perfume.
I'm reminding you. Time to go.
Well, that is my cue to go to catch the bus or catch the train. I need to be there by 8:30. It's just downstairs. So I'm trying out this new manual mode on my camera, and I'm doing this just to color grade my footage so that my train. As soon as I take the train, I get down at the station, I change trains here, and I make sure I'm getting into the first compartment, that is this. This is where I live, and I have to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 23 stops for me to get to work. Started drizzling, so I got down at the train station and then I walked to work. It's a 10-minute walk, but I walk 15 minutes because I'm fat. Hey Mary. Hey Tara. Good, how are you? Thanks. Why is that?
Look at you going, buddy. Oh, that's why we're all sad.
So the boy is back at the train again after the shift. I didn't record coming back because there is no point in recording. Going back home, there's still 8 minutes left for the train to move from here, and I'm here. So all the way from the blue line to here. This is how much I travel every day. My hair was disgusting, so I had to comb my hair and record this again. So I've been talking in English. I've been speaking in English this entire day. Please let me know if English is better or Telugu is better, so that I can continue in that specific language. If it is good, give it a If it is good, give it a thumbs up. If it is not good, don't give it a thumbs up. I actually wanted to talk about something where oh shit, the microphone is facing that side. I actually wanted to talk about something very important when I talk about something very important the last time I uploaded a video. People know me as a very funny guy. Thanks for the compliments, ladies and gentlemen. So, say for example, I am a 6 on 10 for my humor, but they're expecting an 8 on 10 for every one of my videos. All my videos can't be fun because I'm not making sketches. I'm making vlogs. This is how I live. This is a totally different side of myself that I'm portraying on my vlogs. If you're interested in seeing me make comedy sketches, do let me know in the comment section below so that I can plan out a few comedy sketches and I do it separately for you guys. Whenever possible, whenever I'm with my friends, whenever I'm with my mates in Australia, I'll try to be a bit funnier so that I can record more funny content. I am boasting myself to be funny because I think that is the only good thing about me. Currently the time is around 9:16 PM. You must be wondering what I did for 5 hours. Nothing, I just had some important stuff to do, and I've exported all the files and all the videos that I shot today to my hard disk, and I started editing my footage already. And once I got to the end, I realized I didn't give a proper ending to this video, so I thought it's important to have a closure in our relationship. I hope you like this video. It's pretty raw. I did not plan anything. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. This is specifically for you, okay? You're watching now. Did you hit the subscribe button? Okay. If you hit the subscribe button, next to that there is a bell icon. Okay, if you hit on the bell icon, there are 3 options that you get. The first one that has all, the second one and the third one, they are useless. Okay, just forget about them. When you see all, you just hit them and close the browser or switch off your laptop and sleep and wait for more videos to come. Bye bye.